So this is our topic for music. So musical content on melody. Objectives. Get a bird's eye view of content topics under melody as written in the Department of Education. Review and familiarize with the musical content pertaining to melody. The lesson that the teacher must teach the students, example for grade 1 to 2 is pitch, some simple melody patterns, and for grade 3, pitch, melodic lines, melodic patterns, and contour. And for grade 4, music symbols and concepts, intervals, scales, melodic contours, patterns of successive pitches of a C major scale. And for grade 5, the musical symbols and concepts, accidentals, bass clef or F clef, melodic contours, interval scales, C major, G major, and the pentatonic scale. And for grade 6, interval, major, and minor scales. Emphasize on this scale C major, G major, and F major. So that is the lesson must be taught in elementary grades in music. So this is the music sheet or music score. As you're familiar with it naman, and musicians find it easy to read music because they already know what are the symbols all about. But for us, lisod siya guys. Lisod siya. So the meaning and uses of G clef and F clef in staff notation. It is the method used to read and write music so it can be performed instrumentally or vocally. As you can see, there are notation written in the screen. Mine I will tell about that in the second. So staff, it is composed of five parallel lines and four equal space enclosed within a bar. As you can see, there are five parallel lines and four equal space. That is staff. The staff is where all the other musical symbols are drawn. As you can see, there are symbols are drawn in the presentation. That is staff, and there are symbols there to read and to sing for the musician.
Now that Mr. Ayob discussed about the staff and the parts of the staff, now let's proceed to the clef. What is clef? The function of the clef is to indicate the specific position of the note and pitch in the staff. So this is the function of the staff where it indicates the specific position ng ating mga notes and pitch inside the staff, no? So now we have two types of clef. So these two types of clef is the treble clef or G clef, and the next one is the bass clef or F clef. So now let's talk about first the treble clef or the G clef. So what is treble clef or G clef? The G clef is a symbol drawn starting on the second line of the staff above the middle C. So where is this middle C? So middle C is located here. So this is the middle C where the G clef is found above on it. So the G clef will be found above on the middle C na kung saan merong staff. So this symbol daw is drawn in starting on the second line of the staff above. So here, so let's count from the bottom to the top. So we have the line 1 and the line 2. So in the second line, the G clef will be drawn. So this is an example of our G clef that is found in the middle of the C. So again, the treble clef or G clef is found above the middle C and drawn in the second line of our staff. So here. So the next we have is the bass clef or F clef. So this symbol is drawn first on the fourth line of the staff below the C. So below the C na naman tayo. Below the middle C. So where is the middle C? So as you can see, kung babalikan natin, kanina, in the middle of the two staff, we have the middle C. So the upper part of middle C and the upper part of the middle C and the lower part of our middle C. So ito namang si bass clef will be found underneath the middle C. So ito si ating bass clef. So this symbol daw is drawn in the fourth line of our middle C. So below of our middle C. So this is our middle C. Sa ilalim daw niya is ang ating F clef, which is ito. And it will be drawn in the fourth line of our staff. So from the bottom to the top, let's count from 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So starting here, the F clef is drawn. So this is the example or the difference of our G clef and the F clef. Each places in the staff together with the clef has a specific or exact pitch. Yes. No? So each staff daw, so ito staff 1 and staff 2 together with the clef has a specific exact pitch. So this is an example of pitch that we have na unti-unting tumataas, no? So what is pitch? So pitch, it is a degree of highness or lowness of our tone. So ito yung ibig kong sabihin kanina na unti-unting tumataas yung pitch. So as you can see here sa ating given picture, no, meron tayo ditong note E, F, G, and note A. So as you can see, meron din tayo ditong ginamit na treble clef or G clef, no? So as you can see here sa picture, na yung note E to note A is unti-unti siyang tumataas, no? It's because the note A is higher than the rest of the note, no? So sa ating note A, siya yung pinaka mababa compare sa ating note A na tumataas yung pitch, no? So ito yung ibig sabihin ng pitch, no, na degree highness or lowness of our tone, no? So for example, if kakantahin natin tong E F G A, E F G A, E F G A, so unti-unting tumataas yung kanyang tono. So that is an example of pitch. Next we have is the lower pitch and higher pitch of our keyboards or organs or piano that we have. So sa piano din is meron din tayong lower pitch and higher pitch. No, so kung ang isang tao is kumakanta, meron siyang higher pitch and lower pitch. Sa mga instruments din natin, meron din tayong mga lower pitch and higher pitch. No, so gaya na lang nitong organ or piano na ito. From the left side located is the lower pitch, and from the right side is our higher pitch. No, so this is the great example of this high pitch and low pitch of our keyboard or organs. So, here kung makikita nyo sa ating left is ang ating low pitch and ang ating high pitch ay nasa right. No? So, here's the SOFA syllables na pwede nating magagamit sa ating gagawing activity ngayon. So, from the letter C below is the Do. So, if you sing the Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, no, ito yung mga letter names natin na gagamitin. So, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So, here na. As the pitch steps up, the pitch increase. No? Kapag yung pitch or tono daw natin is tumataas, the pitch note also is increasing. No? So, as you can see, kanina, C, D, E, F, G, A, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, kung kakantahin natin siya dito, pataas ng pataas yung pitch. So, now let's start from C. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. So, yung pitch natin na ginamit is pataas ng pataas because of the note na naka-indicate dito, no? Na from below to the top. So, ito yung halimbawa ng pitch or tono. So, kapag pababa naman yung pitch natin, no, as the pitch steps down, the pitch also decreases, no? Kung kakantahin natin kanina yung Do, Re, Mi, Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Pataas siya. And ngayon naman, yung ating pitch na gagamitin is pababa. No? So, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, te, la, fa, so, mi, ri, do. Tama yun? Oo, basta ganun. Pababa siya. So, that is the example of pitch, no? Na highness and lowness of our tone. That's all. Thank you. And I hope that you understand our lesson for today. And that's all. Thank you.